My name is Carson Ramm. I am a senior mechanical engineering major in the energy concentration. This semester, I am super excited to start taking graduate classes as a part of the early entry program. I think it's a super amazing way to get introduced to the more rigorous level coursework of the graduate studies while also meeting the requirements of your undergraduate as well. One I'm particularly excited about is the Intro to Computational Fluid Dynamics course. So I'm studying the Thermal Fluid Sciences concentration, and this being one of the capstone courses in there, we've already been introduced to some really amazing material that I've seen in the undergraduate that I'm excited to expand upon. Well, I've always had an interest in energy pretty much from childhood, but the moment that I really decided that I wanted to join the energy concentration was when I found out that inside senior design, when you make it to that point in your major, you actually choose a project inside of your concentration. And so I've had the opportunity in that to work on a team of engineers in a project in energy. So our project in general is just trying to track an object in space so that it can have the data that it's tracking. It's a probe that's continuously taking data, and we're tracking its position to map that to the data and create a 3D image of a pipe. So I know, particularly for me in the mechanical engineering department, every year we have a design course specifically driven for what we've learned in that past year. So you start out in your introductory engineering courses where they teach you the practices and principles of engineering, all the way up through senior design, where every step along the way you are encouraged and are tasked with designing and building upon all of your knowledge. And then it culminates finally in senior design, where you are an industry and you're supported directly by people supporting the university, and you have the ability to gain that really true career experience that I don't think is given in a lot of other places. Charlotte has always felt like a home inside of home. So I've lived in Charlotte for a decent while now, and I always spend my days here just out of enjoyment for the time here, and being that the professors are always so welcoming. It's always great to go stop in their office and say hi to them, and all the students always have a shared understanding of the fact that we're all Niners, and that's always been a great homey feel to me.